Samsung has launched its new affordable 5G phone under M series in India called Galaxy M17. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy M17 5G boasts a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 1100 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 1330 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MP2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy M17 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front it has 13-megapixel selfie camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with One UI 7 skin on top, and the company promises to provide 6 years of OS and security updates. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.4 by 77.9 by 7.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy M17 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 12,499 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 13,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 15,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Moonlight Silver and Sapphire Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy M17 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.